What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. I am at a client's house waiting for the client to show up. I'm doing all my estimates on Sunday, as I always do. And I wanted to cover more strategies you can use, even if you're a complete newbie, you have no experience, about how to make easy money in the carpet business. And this revolves around carpet removal, carpet repairs, and things of that nature. In this video, we are actually doing our carpet upholstering on kneelers for a church. So a church reached out to us, asked us if we would wrap the kneelers and padding carpet, make it nice and comfortable for the parishioners. So absolutely we did. We got paid $50 per kneeler, and there were 6 of them, so it was an easy $300. I was able to pick the kneelers up, bring them to my house, and wrap these in my spare time. So in this video, I want to show you how to go ahead and wrap kneelers. It's just a real quick rundown, but just to show you how easy it really is to start generating money in your spare time in the carpet industry. And the beautiful part about it, nobody wants to get dirty or work hard these days, so the playing field is wide open. So if you have no experience, you could still make a ton of money. The tools needed for this was an electric tacker staple gun and a razor blade or a utility knife just to cut the carpet. That's it. So go ahead, check out this video, tap that subscribe button for more strategies about how you could profit. Comment below. I'll create a video answering your questions for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get into this.